Jig ball. Big throw. Comes a little bit across towards the off stump and hence able to get it fine, Kedar Jadhav.
Just got to make a point. Shot of length has been the leg for England on this pitch, and rightly so. There's a lot in this pitch, but they can make an exception with this batsman. Loves to sit on the back foot, loves this leg. Just try and get him forward, get him to drive outside the offs and see how that goes.
Saw that wagon wheel. There was nothing in the area, the cover area. No cover drives.
See, there again, I don't think England have been smart here. They've used this length for all batsmen to Kedar Jadhav. As I said, they can think differently. Ball is not fuller. We saw almost 28% of the runs that he scored in the series. It's been down to third man, just waiting on the back foot, gives the ball a bit of a tap.
So likes to play the uppercut.